Okay, this is how to clone a E39 Cadillac ECU with a OBD start. The pinout, I'll show you later how I come up with the pinout. They have actually image how to follow. First, we gotta hit connect, read D flash, put a name that you will remember. Once that's done, read flash, then it's the same, put a name that you will remember that it belonged to this computer. Then you read the shadow flash, and for last, read the pin code. If you read the pin code, it will give you 2392. Once we we send this information to the new ECU, we must have the same number. You see these are brown, yellow, that means kind low, kind high. Put in ground the two positive. Look at this part, can H6, can L14. So you have more than one kind of low and kind of high on the cables. So make sure you look for the 6 and 14, because there's a can low 11 and can H3. So make sure you get the right ones. Another tip that I'll give you, make sure you grab, if you see this one, there's small ones and big ones, so make sure you look at your package before you start using them. That way you don't damage the pin. It's running already with an ECU.